My name is JaVannah Jackson. My number is 0, and I'm a junior. My height is 5'4", and I'm a guard, and I'm from Cleveland, Ohio. Well, I'm gonna say Jonte. I was a freshman in high school, and I shot the game winner 3. You know, might turn up a little. Not too much. I'm gonna say Macomb Fieldhouse. Favorite thing. Basketball. I listen to a little R&B, you know, love and hip hop. Basically, that's it. Westbrook. Snapchat. Criminal justice. My favorite professor is Dr. Matthews. She's real, the realest out of them all. Chicken fingers. Wheelchair basketball. Sierra. Sparks. OKC. Coach Carter. To get a ring. Jeremy Lynch on her team. I'm gonna go for Coach Cali.